Hey guys, I hope that you all are doing amazing. So finally we are here with the very first session for CBSE 9 students of chemistry, that is matter in our surroundings. So I know that you guys were also running out of patience. Ma'am, start something for 9th class also. So here we are. I'm your chemistry master teacher Shilpi Kaushik Apidantu, and I hope that you all are staying hydrated and healthy, and these are the hard times, so we still need to show some strength and courage. So I believe that you people are really taking it serious, right? So let's get started with the first chapter. And guys, you can see the title, it is matter in our surroundings, right? So this chapter is very important. So if you talk about the last year students who just appeared in their exams for 2020, then this chapter was reduced, right? But still there is no update about your syllabus, so we would be anyway completing the chapter, right? And it's very important that we study what exactly is matter, because the same topic, this matter only, we have to discuss in chapter number 2 as well. The only difference is that in this chapter we study about the physical properties of matter, and in chapter number 2 we have to study about the chemical properties of matter. There we would be discussing about the elements, compounds and mixtures, right? So what are the learning objectives of this class? By the end of the session you would be able to understand what is matter, and also what are the things which are not matter, that also we should be knowing, right? Apart from that, the second thing, the states of matter, and iske साथ साथ what are the characteristics of the particles of matter, that is also very important. So one question can be asked from that part as well, so just stay attentive, right? Okay, so let's get started. Jaldi si send your favorite emoji in the chat box, whatever it is, right? So ma'am is just gonna start the session now. So if you have a look around you, you are having different things. You have a mobile phone, you are having your notebook, you have your pen, you have your laptop bodies, you are having a water bottle, you have your watch. So all these things are occupying some space. If you are keeping them on the table, they have occupied some space. Okay, the point number 1, they are occupying space. Okay, the second thing is that they all are having some mass. How can I say that this pen is having mass? Let's say I am keeping it on my hand. If I have to lift this pen, then I have to apply some force. देखो मैंने फोर्स लगाया ना, so if I am applying some force, I am able to lift the pen. It means that this pen is having some mass as well. Also I can touch the pen. I'm not gonna eat it, but I can touch it. So something which I am able to sense with the help of my 5 sense organs, like I can taste it, I can touch it, I can smell it. Any of these things are there, then these 3 things are making that substance as a matter. So matter kya hai? It's simply the stuff present around us, right? And that stuff should follow these conditions. It should occupy some space, it should have some mass, and its presence should be felt by any of our 5 sense organs. So some examples are given there, and these matter, they can differ from each other in terms of constituents. They might differ in terms of physical properties or chemical properties, and that is all that we have to study in the first and the second chapter, right? I hope matter is clear to you. And if you go to the past times, then you know, I'm changing the color, yeah. So if you go to the past times, then there were certain philosophers, especially Indian philosophers and Greek philosophers. So what they used to believe, they used to believe that any matter that is present around us is basically composed of 5 elements. What are those 5 basic elements? Air, earth, fire, sky and water. Anything that is present around you. In fact, I will tell you a very amazing point that many of you won't be knowing, God. Some of you believe in God, कुछ लोग बोलते हैं नहीं, I don't believe. So that is your personal lookout, whatever you have to do. But I just want to tell you that we often connect God with the nature, है ना? People say that भगवान हर जगह होते हैं because nature is present around us. And God क्या है? God is nature only. Like I'll tell you, in Hindi we call God as Bhagwan, right? You all know that. And if I tell you one thing, this Bha in Bhagwan is standing for Bhumi, and that Bhumi means earth, right? And जो Ga है, that is standing for Gagan, and Gagan means sky. देन यू हैव व, व इज फॉर वायु हेयर, एंड वायु को हम बोलते हैं दैट इज एयर इन इंग्लिश. देन आ साउंड यू आर गेटिंग, आ इज फॉर अग्नि हेयर, एंड दैट अग्नि इज फायर. न इज स्टैंडिंग फॉर नीर, नीर इज वाटर, एंड दैट इज जल, जिसको हिंदी में भी बोलते हैं. सो अगैन anything that is present around us is matter, and that is composed of these basic 5 elements: air, earth, fire, sky and water. Right, this is what people used to believe. And if you talk about the things which are not matter, that should also be clear to you. जैसे अगर मैं बात करूँ feelings की, human feelings, let's say I'm very happy today, so you will say ma'am how many kgs you are happy. जैसे अनन्या सर की बात करते हैं, ठीक है. सो अनन्या सर जो है हमारे, अनन्या सर इज अ मैटर, है ना, वो मैटर है. हाउ कैन आई सी दैट ही इज मैटर? बिकॉज वेन एवर ही इज टेकिंग योर क्लासेस ही इज सिटिंग ऑन अ चेयर मे बी, so he is not sitting on a bed, so maybe वो chair पे बैठे हैं या फिर he is sitting anywhere else, so he is occupying some space. Okay, and Ananya sir is also having some weight, maybe Ananya sir 80 kgs के होंगे, sorry Ananya sir, हाँ, don't mind that, less than that obviously, right. So so he is occupying some space, he has some mass, and his presence can also be felt. Okay, so we can say that Ananya sir is definitely matter. Okay, and do you know that Ananya sir really likes Katrina Kaif? It's like, yeah, मतलब सर को अच्छी लगती है कैटरीना कैफ. सो कैन आई से दैट अनन्या सर लव्स कैटरीना कैफ, एंड इज लव मैटर? इफ आई टेक दिस टर्म, सो वी विल आस्क अनन्या सर से पूछना नेक्स्ट क्लास में, सर हाउ मेनी केजीज डू यू लव कैटरीना कैफ? यू लाइक व्हाट? ठीक है. सो आई कैन नॉट क्वान्टिफाई इट ऑब्वियसली. अगर मैं लव की बात करती हूँ, सो लव इज जस्ट एन इमोशन, सो वी कैन नॉट से हाउ मेनी केजीज आई लव यू, हाउ मेनी ग्राम्स आई लव यू, दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. और लेट्स से आई विल से दैट आई एम sad today, that is again an emotion. So anxiety, depression, love, fear, sadness, cold, hot, this is something which I cannot say that they are occupying some mass or have some space, so they are not matter. इसके अलावा if you talk about some important terms, जैसे lot of you have a confusion, मैम क्या light matter है? Light is also not matter, ठीक है. It is a form of energy basically. शेडो, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट शेडो, दैट इज अगैन, अगर लाइट ही नहीं है मैटर, हाउ कैन शेडो बी मैटर, राइट. सो यू शुड ऑल्सो बी अवेयर अबाउट द थिंग्स विच आर नॉट मैटर. द डेफिनेशन इज रिटन, एनीथिंग ऑक्यूपाइंग स्पेस हैज सम मास कैन बी डिफाइंड एज मैटर. सो यू गाइज टेल मी इन द चैट बॉक्स नाउ, इज एयर मैटर? टॉक टॉक टॉक. Yes, air is matter, right? So you give me the answer how. So let's have a look at a question now. The question says that which of the following are not matter? First is chair. Chair definitely occupies some space. We have to lift it. अगर उसको आपको lift करना है तो force लगाना पड़ेगा, है ना? That is again okay. Air has the particles also. It is a matter definitely. Love, अनन्या सर को अच्छे से पता है love is not matter, हाँ. Smell is not matter. किसका स्मेल? सो यू हैव टू बी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट इट. लाइक स्मेल ऑफ परफ्यूम है, अगर स्मेल ऑफ परफ्यूम इज हैविंग परफ्यूम पार्टिकल्स इन इट, okay, so they would be occupying certain space, so I can say that smell of perfume is matter, but smell is not matter. Hate, keep on giving the answers in the chat box also. Check the answer of your friends as well, interact with each other in a positive way. ठीक है. Hate, so hate is, we don't have to discuss it again, it's an emotion. Almonds are matter. Thought is not matter. Thought, idea कैसे हो सकता है matter, है ना. Then I am saying cold, again not matter. Cold drink is definitely matter, so you can easily do this, ठीक है. चलो, now the next very important thing I want to share with you. So guys, now we have started the long term batches. So if you really want to get enrolled in the long term batches, then this is the best time. Why I am saying that? Because इस point of time पर the courses are the cheapest. So if you talk about the initial months in April and May, so यहाँ पर cheapest courses होंगे, because we are just making the new long term batches. first advantage. The second advantage is this, that if you are taking an early enrollment, so उसके बाद क्या होगा, your syllabus would be completed at the earliest. So like I can say by the end of the November your syllabus would be completed if you join the early subscription. Although we try to cover the entire syllabus on YouTube itself, but still we are having certain limitations. We are not able to conduct your test over here, we are not able to explain the examination, the exact pattern in that scenario which comes. We are now not able to take your live queries, your live doubts, your test papers, crash courses. So a lot of things are there which are missing from here. So for that you can definitely come in the subscription, and this is really worth it. So if I tell you what are the things that you would be getting, you get the unlimited live classes. So there are variety of micro courses जो इसके साथ free भी मिलते हैं, that you can just select for any topic, any subject. Like let's say matter in our surroundings chapter में you did not understood how to convert the state of matter, so for that you can get enrolled in that particular micro course. Okay, and there would be high level quizzes, HOTS and different examination assertion based question. So the latest examination based questions are there, and the result of the past batch which just passed out was also amazing. So they had a great time. Interactive replays are available. So what exactly is interactive replay? Just say let's say you missed a class, you missed a live class, I was taking a live class and you missed it, so you won't be able to attend the quizzes. No, there's nothing like that. So interactive replays में ऐसे होता है, you can still take those quizzes even if the class is not live. ठीक है, so you can check your real time performance. इसके साथ साथ we keep on conducting the regular test. Let's say one chapter is completed, so we would be conducting a test based on that, right? So you can say in every 15 days we would be having a test. Then based on that your overall batch performance, your batch rank, your paper analysis would be done, and the report would be sent to you. You have to get it signed by your parents. Okay, and you can also download the handwritten notes by the master teachers, and that is again very amazing point. So I have told you already, unlimited micro courses are there, free crash courses, free fast track courses, free midterm भी इसके साथ ही आता है. So if you take the enrollment for one time, then you don't have to purchase any other book or any other study material, and for some discount you can apply this coupon code SKA Pro. And what happened to my pen? Okay, so you can apply this coupon code, and SKA is Shilpi Kaushik, A is for army. Okay, so you can do this, right? So I'm just gonna take you to a screen and you can see how to take the enrollment there. So this is the video that you have to open. I will just change my screen. You can have a look at the screen now. Okay, so let's say I have opened one of my videos, so you can go in the description box, then you would be getting this link here, right? You have to open this link, then it will take you to the screen Explore Vedantu Pro. Then from here you get to select your class. Let's say I am in class 9th, then I will be selecting my target exam. Just say you are gonna appear for CBSE 2021. 10% off you would be getting on applying this coupon code. It would be automatically applied from the description box. Okay, then these are the plans, 3 plans we are having, so you can choose any of these plans. The first one is the Vedantu Pro Lite subscription. So ये सबसे अच्छा plan होता है if you are a regular student, like you don't need very detailed help, जैसे आप खुद भी कर सकते हो, and you just need help with the test series analysis, with the live interactive classes you want, then you can go with that. ठीक है, so what are the things that you would be getting? Live interactive online classes, unlimited micro courses, test series and analysis, सब कुछ होगा. You get the assignments and notes after every session. Doubt solving during the live class. So live class में no matter how many doubts you are having, you can just get them solved, right? So for the 1 month you can try it only once. ठीक है, so for this you can just simply, the coupon code is automatically applied. You can take from there, try for 1 month, then do the login, and then your details you have to fill in. Okay, the second one is the Pro Classic. Pro Classic mein the only difference is that you also get the doubt solving app on mobile app. So if you are someone who solves a lot of questions, या फिर you follow a lot of books, then you can go with the classic subscription, because इसमें आपको ऐप भी मिलता है for the doubt solving. So as many doubts you are having after the live classes also, you can get them resolved, right? Again 10% off here also, so you can also pay in the EMI, right? So if you are buying the complete course for the entire year, let's say आपने ये वाला course लिया, then we have EMI options available, so you don't have to pay the hefty amount all at once. ओके, द लास्ट वन इज़ द प्रो प्लस. सो प्रो प्लस में आपको एक पर्सनल मेंटोर भी मिलता है. सो दिस पर्सनल मेंटोर वुड बी हेल्पिंग यू फॉर योर एनालिसिस ऑफ द डेली टेस्ट दैट यू आर अपीयरिंग इन, आपकी परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, या फिर यू हैव एनी डाउट्स फ्रॉम द असाइनमेंट्स और फ्रॉम द सेशंस, और यू फील दैट मैम वी ऑल्सो नीड अ करियर काउंसलिंग, देन यू कैन जस्ट गो दैट. ठीक है. So I would be coming back to our class. So this is the coupon code. You can take a screenshot, then you can talk to your parents about it. They know the best, right? Chalo. So the new batches are gonna start 10th May, 24th May, right, for the CBSE 9th class, and for 10th class also the days are same, right? Okay. Now the next thing that we have to understand is the physical nature of matter. So now we are aware about matter. Matter is actually made up of particles, right? How you can say that matter is made up of particles? Let's understand that you have a pen. Okay? So what you will be doing, you will break this pen down into very small pieces. Let's say pehle I have broken it into 2 halves. Then further you're gonna break it down to 3 parts. Then ऐसे करते करते a stage will come when this will be completely divided into very छोटू particles. So any matter that you are having, let's say I am having this cape. If I just start beating it with a hammer, then a stage will come, then I cannot be divided any further. So that tells me matter is made up of particles. या फिर you would have seen whenever you are adding sugar to the water, then sugar disappear because sugar particles are getting mixed with the particles of water. That is also telling you that matter is made up of particles, the first thing. Second thing, the size of these particles is very small. मतलब इतना छोटा होता है ये size that you cannot see them with the naked eye. This is less than 1 nanometer. So try to imagine the size dimension. So it's like 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 meters. Less than 1 nanometers, and you know the dimension 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to power minus 9 meters. So we have special microscopes, electron microscopes होते हैं, that we will be using in labs anyway. The next thing, the characteristic, और कौन सा important characteristic होगा particles का, you have seen they have small size, that is also one of the characteristic property. The second thing, particles of matter have spaces in between them. Now this is something very amazing. जैसे you would have seen the water divers, ठीक है, जो वाटर डाइवर्स होते हैं, हाउ दे आर एबल टू स्विम इनसाइड द वाटर, या फिर हाउ यू आर एबल टू डू स्विमिंग इनसाइड द वाटर इजीली, बिकॉज पार्टिकल्स ऑफ वाटर हैव सर्टन स्पेसेस बिटवीन देम एंड दो स्पेसेस आर इनफ फॉर यू टू पास थ्रू वाटर, राइट. या फिर लेट्स से यू आर अगैन एडिंग शुगर इनटू वाटर. जैसे जस्ट इमेजिन करो ये एक बीकर है जिसमें यू हैव टेकन द वाटर एंड व्हेन यू ऐड शुगर इनटू इट, देन शुगर डिसअपियर्स. सो वेयर द शुगर इज गेटिंग, शुगर बेसिकली गोज बिटवीन द स्पेसेस ऑफ द वाटर पार्टिकल्स एंड डिसअपियर्स. सो थिंक अरे मैजिक. सो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, they have spaces between them. Okay, you have a lot of activities to tell that. The next thing, particles of matter are continuously moving. इसका बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन इंसेंस स्टिक. इंसेंस स्टिक होता है अगरबत्ती इन हिंदी, और यू कैन इमेजिन परफ्यूम. इफ़ योर फ्रेंड हैज़ यूज परफ्यूम, यू वेंट टू अ क्लासरूम, लाइक यार बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग परफ्यूम का स्मेल आया है, सो यू कैन सेंस दैट. वाई? बिकॉज परफ्यूम पार्टिकल्स आर कॉन्टिन्यूसली मूविंग, दे आर डिफ्यूजिंग थ्रू एयर एंड रीचिंग एवरीवेयर. So the particles of matter are always continuously moving. This is again another characteristic. The third characteristic property is that particles of matter attract each other. जैसे देखो, I am having this pen and I want to break it down. So I am not able to easily break this pen down. Why? Because particles of this pen have some forces of attractions between each other. या फिर see, I'm having this rubber band. I'm not able to break it in the one go. Am I? No. Why? Because the particles, you can say, are again tightly held. Even if you have a sheet of paper and you have to tear it apart. ये notebook है. I want to just tear about one page. Then also I have to apply some force. So that tells me no matter what matter you are taking, there are always some forces of attractions between the particles. Sometimes these forces of attractions can be very strong. Sometimes these forces of attractions can be very weak, but they have some attractions. Okay, so we have to remember all the properties. First, they have spaces between them. Second, the size is very small, they are continuously moving, and finally they attract each other. You can do it. कोई क्वेश्चन आ सकता है यहाँ से, so you have to remember. And next is the states of matter. So इतनी सारी आपने matter के examples पढ़ लिए हैं. Now it is not easy to study them individually. Just try to imagine if you have to study every matter individually, then how long it's gonna take you. वो तो ख़त्म ही नहीं हो सकता है कभी. सो बेस्ड ऑन सर्टेन कॉमन प्रॉपर्टीज वी हैव क्लासिफाइड मैटर, एंड ये वाला जो क्लासिफिकेशन है दिस वी हैव डन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, on the appearance you can say. So on the basis of physical properties, matter can be divided into 3 states. We are having the solid state, जैसे you have your bed, you have your pen, your laptops, your mobile phones, they are solids. Then we have the gases. Gases में you are having air. Okay, then you are having the liquid. Liquid where you have milk, water, etc. So these are the 3 basic states of matter that we are having around us. Okay, now ma'am is gonna give you a homework question. You have to do it. ठीक है? Okay, so tell me, do you know that there is 2 other states of matter apart from solid, liquid and gas? Minion knows the answer. Let's see, my cation army, you people know the answer or not? We will discuss these 2 states of matter in the next class. You have to give me the name of these 2 remaining states of matter in the comment box. I will be taking the names of all the students who are giving the right answer in the next session. ठीक है? So we will be discussing the properties of states of matter in our next class basically. So you have to come and attend the class. Just be regular in all the sessions so that we can cover the maximum syllabus here only. Okay, and now take the final homework question. This. Give reason of the following observation. The smell of hot sizzling food reaches you several meters away, but to get the smell of cold food you have to go close. ऐसा क्यों होता है? It has something to do with kinetic energy. That is a hint. ठीक है, इसको यूज कर लेना. काइनेटिक एनर्जी से शायद कुछ लेना देना है. Then tell me in the comment section. 2 homework questions I have given you. Okay, so do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss any of the coming sessions of the Prodigy series, right? So if you have any doubt related to the session, leave that in the comment box. Otherwise also you can reach out to me on Instagram. This is my ID, right? I will see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.